Hi, everyone. I'm Arlene Ducao. I'm going to take the liberty of moving this stand back because I'm a shorty. Okay. Okay, great. So, hi, everyone. As I mentioned, my name is Arlene Ducao, and I am the CEO of Multimer, which supports better spatial design based on human signals. And it really is design that distinguishes us as human beings from all other species on the planet. We build cities, buildings, infrastructure so significant that you can see them from space. But this kind of large-scale spatial design isn't easy, which is why we make maps like this one to better organize the process. They help us organize citywide events, advocate for slum dwellers, get somewhere safely, build out a workspace, and even explore virtual worlds. But often maps don't tell us a whole lot about the people in these places, and in these kinds of cases, that can lead to inefficiency, inequality, and sometimes even injury. So with its insight into spatial biometric signals, Multimer provides these kinds of customers the tools they need for human-centered, data-driven design. In New York, Multimer showed the hotspots where collisions are 3 times more likely to occur. For the Associated Press, Multimer showed that the placement of your hands can have a major impact on your VR experience. And for the London Department of Transport, Multimer showed the sweet spots, the newer bike routes that are 30% safer than the older bike routes. So when London was looking for a solution to measure human experience, it looked at survey and interview data and found that while it's useful, it doesn't provide a whole lot of time or location context. Cellular data is also useful, but can be prohibitively expensive. Social media data is often biased. And then London saw Multimer and its New York work on the Discovery Channel, so they got in touch with us to see exactly how we do it. Just as you can order a genetic test kit to understand the human signals inside your body, you can order a Multimer kit to understand the human signals of the people in the room and the population around you. For a customer like London, an initial kit consists of 10 sets of biosensors, including heart rate straps and MindRider, our custom ergonomic brainwave wearable. London then logs into the Multimer platform to design the study and determine that an initial sample size of 26 people is appropriate. They then use our help to recruit data collectors and train the data collectors to record data with the Multimer app, which I can demo for you at our table. Back on the Multimer platform, with all of this data, then London can perform that kind of predictive analysis with the data that they've collected benchmarked against external data sets in other Multimer cities. So Multimer grew from my work here at the Media Lab 5 years ago, actually 7, 8 years ago, but also from the work of a dedicated team who's not just expert in design, management, and engineering, but who I really admire because, to my mind, they've demonstrated a real interest in the world and its diverse human cultures. With the support of some great investors and funders, the supervision of privacy and ethics review boards, we've been refining this product with select partners. So current projects include work with the UN and groups in Nairobi and Kuala Lumpur to measure new kinds of cycling infrastructure. Work with Unispace and the Center for Positive Organizations at the University of Michigan to understand tech campuses and workspaces. Also, ooh, nice music. Also work with Abstract Group to understand airport experience in VR and real space. And then finally, coming up this summer, work with the new MIT Tsinghua Future City Innovation Connector to pilot projects throughout China. So if you want to see Multimer for yourself in VR, you can check out today the new Biking with Biosensors piece by journalist Teo Nakagawa for the New York Times. And really, ultimately, with Multimer, people aren't just mapping places, they're mapping human signals. They can see that all kinds of human-centered data is out there, but very few people are collecting this range of data and scaling it through analysis. Ultimately, we aim to empower everyone to build better design based on human signals. Thank you.